Okay, so I'm going to talk about figure skating for a few seconds. This is a sport commonly known in the Winter Olympics and also just, very idyllic in the winter months. So there's 4 different types of skates. The most common are figure skates and ice hockey skates. So figure skates have stiff leather interiors and extra support around the ankles, steel blades, and they have a concave kerr and a hollow down the center. So if you think like taking a U and flipping it upside down, that's what it looks like on the ice. And they have teeth at the front called toe picks. And the toe picks are what let the skates grip the ice. So you can do very technical dance moves, start and stop really, really fast. And that's what a lot of, the more dance stuff is done for. Ice hockey skates are used, mostly in ice hockey, obviously. And they're made of leather. Steel blades are about 3 millimeters thick and shorter than other blades for maneuverability. And they're cut high to protect the ankles. So they have this little backing right here, which protects the back of your ankle. And then this little part that protects the front of your, shin. And they kind of, and they move together to keep you from, chafing, blistering, whatever it is. And they have this rounded blade right here, which actually allows you to go much, much faster. And if you've ever seen, some people in hockey, they can stop and start as fast, super, super fast, and they can basically turn on a dime as well. Speed skates are really just for racing. People don't really use them recreationally at all. These two, figure and ice hockey, are used recreationally. And so this blade is actually hinged. You can see when it's in the upward position, it's not attached right here to this skate. And that is just, for racing. It allows them to go very, very fast because the blade never really loses contact with the ice. Short track, they are used really, the biggest thing is to help with frequent cornering so they can turn extremely fast. And then they're also cut a little bit higher to give ankle support. So there's 2 main scores in figure skating. There's the technical element score, so the TES, and it's based on the difficulty of moves and the execution of technical elements. So, and then there's also the program component score, the PCS, which is based on artistry, interpretation, and presentation. So you put together your program, and then depending on how well your program is, so, your costume, how you interpreted the dance, and then how you present yourself to the judges determines that score. The technical element score, you could have a bad program, but depending on how well you execute it, you could still get a high score in this. So some notable skaters are Johnny Weir, right here. Oh, my goodness. Johnny Weir, so he's very big on, interpretation. He's very big at moving to the music, hard tricks, and he also has, when he gets back down, when he falls, he gets back up very, very quickly, very seamlessly. In figure skating works, it's all physics. So really the biggest thing is that, if your arms are out and you bring them in, you're going to spin faster. If they're in and you bring them out, you're going to spin slower. And then I think that's all I've got.